Welcome to 9th class chemistry video lesson. Today we are going to study about oxidation and reduction reactions in terms of addition and removal of oxygen and hydrogen. So let us start with oxidation. Oxidation may be defined as a process which involves the addition of oxygen to a substance. Consider this reaction. Here, magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. And since oxygen is added to magnesium, it means magnesium has undergone oxidation. The substance which undergoes oxidation is said to be oxidized. And therefore, in this reaction, magnesium is said to be oxidized. And in this reaction, cupric oxide reacts with magnesium to form copper and magnesium oxide. See here in this reaction, oxygen is added to magnesium. So it means magnesium has undergone oxidation and therefore magnesium is said to be oxidized. Oxidation may also be defined as a process which involves removal of hydrogen from a substance. For example, in this reaction, hydrogen sulfide reacts with chlorine to form hydrochloric acid and sulfur. Here you can clearly see that earlier hydrogen was with sulfur, but after the reaction, hydrogen is removed from sulfur. So that's why we can say that hydrogen sulfide is oxidized in this reaction. Similarly, in this reaction, hydrogen sulfide reacts with oxygen to form sulfur and water. Again here, hydrogen sulfide has undergone oxidation because removal of hydrogen has taken place in this reaction from hydrogen sulfide. So that's why in this reaction also hydrogen sulfide is said to be oxidized. So we are having two definitions of oxidation here. Oxidation is defined as a process which involves addition of oxygen to a substance or removal of hydrogen from a substance. Oxidation does not occur by itself. It is carried out by some substances called as oxidizing agents. So what is an oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agent is the substance which gives oxygen for oxidation of another substance. For example, in this reaction, cupric oxide and magnesium reacts to form copper and magnesium oxide. Here we know that as oxygen is added to magnesium, it means magnesium has undergone oxidation. But from where oxygen is added to magnesium? This oxygen is given by cupric oxide to magnesium for its oxidation. So in this reaction, cupric oxide is the substance which gives oxygen for the oxidation of magnesium. So we can say that cupric oxide is the oxidizing agent here. The second definition of oxidizing agent is that it is a substance which removes hydrogen from another substance for its oxidation. Here hydrogen sulfide reacts with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride and sulfur. In this reaction, hydrogen sulfide is oxidized because hydrogen is removed from it to form sulfur. But which substance has removed hydrogen from hydrogen sulfide? It is chlorine. Chlorine has removed hydrogen from hydrogen sulfide to form hydrogen chloride. So chlorine is said to be oxidizing agent here. Then next we have reduction. Reduction may be defined as a process which involves the addition of hydrogen to a substance. For example, when bromine reacts with hydrogen sulfide, then hydrogen bromide and sulfur is formed. Here, hydrogen is added to bromine to form hydrogen bromide. It means bromine has undergone reduction. So bromine is said to be reduced here. In the next example, hydrogen reacts with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride. And as hydrogen is added to chlorine to form hydrogen chloride, that's why chlorine is said to be reduced here. Reduction may also be defined as a process which involves the removal of oxygen from a substance. For example, in this reaction, cupric oxide reacts with hydrogen to form copper and water. Here, cupric oxide has undergone reduction because oxygen is removed from cupric oxide to form copper. So it means cupric oxide is reduced in this reaction. And in this reaction, mercuric oxide reacts with copper to form mercury and cupric oxide. Here, mercuric oxide is said to be reduced because removal of oxygen has taken place to form mercury from mercuric oxide. The substances which brought about a reduction are called as reducing agents. For example, in this reaction, bromine has undergone reduction because of addition of hydrogen in it. But which substance has provided hydrogen to bromine? It is hydrogen sulfide. As hydrogen sulfide has given hydrogen to bromine for its reduction, so that's why hydrogen sulfide is a reducing agent here. The second definition of reducing agent is that it is the substance which removes oxygen from another substance for its reduction. For example, in this reaction, ferrosulfuric oxide has undergone reduction because oxygen is removed from it to form iron. But which substance has removed oxygen from it? It is hydrogen. Hydrogen has removed oxygen from ferrosulfuric oxide to form water. So hydrogen acts as reducing agent in this reaction because hydrogen is a substance which has removed oxygen from ferrosulfuric oxide for its reduction. Now it is clear that oxidation is just opposite to that of reduction because oxidation involves the addition of oxygen to a substance, but reduction involves addition of hydrogen to a substance. Oxidation involves removal of hydrogen from a substance, but reduction involves removal of oxygen from a substance. In actual, oxidation-reduction reactions are complementary, means oxidation and reduction occur together. Such kind of reactions are called as redox reactions, means the reaction in which reduction and oxidation take place simultaneously is called a redox reaction. Consider this reaction where cupric oxide reacts with hydrogen to form copper and water. Here cupric oxide has undergone a reduction because oxygen is removed from it. If oxygen is removed from it, it means oxygen is added to other substance. So here it is added to hydrogen. If it has undergone a reduction, it means hydrogen has undergone oxidation. Similarly, in this reaction, zinc oxide reacts with carbon to form zinc and carbon monoxide. Here also, zinc oxide has undergone reduction because of removal of oxygen from it. If oxygen is removed from zinc oxide, it means it is added to other substance, that is carbon. Means carbon has undergone oxidation because oxygen is added to carbon. That's how oxidation and reduction goes side by side.